Welcome back. I have the sweetest of the sweetest when it comes to a sweet tooth, but try very hard to limit sugar. The no sugar baker, Jayne Jones, the author of Healthy Living and No Regrets, has just the answer. Good morning and thanks for being with us.
Good morning. So I just saw the sign at my local store. It says Sweet Summer. So yes, we love summer and we can make it the healthy way. You won't believe the treats that I've been able to stem up this week.
Love that. All right. So go ahead and tell us a little bit about what happened to you. Let's back up on more of a serious note. It was your 44th birthday, but you weren't really into celebrating that day. Why?
Oh my gosh, not at all. So I fought it tooth and nail. I thought I had the flu. Went to the ER. My blood sugar at the time was over 600. You want it to be about 100. My blood pressure was off the charts. It was about 289 over 189. I'm a lawyer by trade. They told me I was inches away from having a stroke. Got released, got diagnosed, ended up losing my eyesight for about 3 weeks. I went sugar-free, medicine-free, insulin-free, 60 pounds lighter, and oh yeah, that vision we're talking about, 20/20 within 6 months. So I found myself back in my kitchen and had to figure out a way to start baking healthy again. I mean, I used to love being in the kitchen. I regretted it for about 6 months, got myself back into my kitchen, and now I'm America's no sugar baker. And listen, you say you love sugar and you love the sweetness. You're not going to miss the sugary sweet in these great treats.
All right. Well, I can't wait to see it. What do you have for us?
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to do popsicles. All this coming week on nosugarbaker.com, we're talking about type 1 diabetes for kids. Because you know what? Especially during the summer, they kind of miss out. So fun, so easy. The kids can help you. Go ahead and cut up 1 cup of fresh strawberries, put it into your mixer, slice them up. Berries are actually really good as a fruit choice because they're very low in sugar level. And then about the same measurement of fresh blueberries. Now, here comes the secret sauce. You ready for it? It is an unsweetened coconut cream. You can find it at your regular grocery store. It brings on a little creaminess into the popsicle. Go ahead and put that in. And then it's only a half a cup of lemon juice, a half a cup of ice cold water. And then here's my other little trick of the trade that I've learned. I happen to use a product called Swerve. It's a powdered sugar that's actually a all-natural sweetener that you want to put about 1/4 of a cup. It won't give you any grittiness either, which is great. And hey, friends, it actually tastes good, which is great. So you go ahead, you mix that all together in your blender. Then look what I found at the dollar store. It's the nice little popsicle molds right here. Go ahead, pour it in, let it sit overnight. And then, let me tell you, I mean, your kids are going to love it. This is the end result. It's fresh. It's sweet.
Wow.
It's tasty. Wow. And you know what? It will make your summer. But that's not all. All week we're talking kids, right? Lunch, school lunch bags, lunches are back. We have a mini muffin you can squeeze into the lunch bag for a healthy treat when you go back to school. And then my new favorite. Yeah, it's the Chunky Monkey ice cream sandwich, completely sugar-free. Start out with the popsicles, graduate to the mini muffins, and then go to the Chunky Monkey ice cream sandwich. Your kids can join the fun with you. You know what? It's not just for people that are diabetic, heart disease, just healthy in general. Those keto fans out there are going to love it too.
I love that. All right, finally, any words of encouragement out there for anybody that might be struggling right now, especially those people that have diabetes? They need to change their ways, right?
Hey, listen. If I can do it, you can do it. I have absolutely no doubt in you. Trust me. I'm a Minnesota girl, right? I used to love a good tater tot hot dish, a good peanut butter cup bar that my mom made. I had to figure out a way to do it. You can do it. And you know what? You're not going to lose a taste. Go to our website. We have over 100,000 followers in less than a year. It's www.nosugarbaker.com. Read my story. Read the blog. Read what I do every day. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. That vision is something I never want to lose ever again. It is one of the scariest moments of my life. Do it. You know what? Do it for your health. Do it for your family. Do it for your friends. And overall, trust me, I feel 100 times better easily. And you can enjoy those popsicles at the same time.
Awesome. I love
it.
it.
It is a sweet
Can't wait to check it out. Yeah. nosugarbaker.com. Thank you for your time this morning.
My pleasure. Hey, you guys make it a great weekend, will ya?
I can definitely do that for you. Thanks so much. We'll be right back.